2, 1.
Kotoma opuchit kalo etiti kinere Engarenok lu Itetiak cholongo kech lo esekun tai kwape Apollo Kinton atikot na ka Tesda. Juventine Heritage. Nesi abu kolimok ateker Amina Nara.
So akironi los kinti soto matkotani. Ingesa nyingolebe ipopo unoni. Inono sine ilu kolo se. Itere iwokidweda epedorete ikonai ajenu nikole somas. Ngesa akirone yondere etukotomi. Idoda ikorotioni orani kape teso. Apedorosoni ai motikin kidani chate kerisine domana showman. Nara yamami jenu ne ponele betorana konyo. Angita mokini itunga kai students da kere. Yes nada benebi. Ekoda mortikino jai, ekoda mina siya wakatekel. Nara yatekel nyasagi onetinore.
Kosodi Apollo Kinton esisia klose una Joseph Magino Erima ngesi abala itetena eduwe teterera unos Engarenok lu ajokak.
Because as it is source in Soroti, as it is source in Serere, as it is source in Teso region, we really need to say that the Chamoko University Soroti campus becomes a very mighty institution in Teso. Advice I can give to the majority of the Itesons out there is that when you're sending your pupil or your child to school, don't discourage a child from exercising his or her leadership skills. Because some of these people, some of these children will not only get jobs, and some of these people are politicians naturally. They may not even focus on either getting a job, and they are born leaders and therefore they are born politicians.
Lo lem Apollo kit esisiak Enok okelo egimu ngesi abu kichora kipaupake ayonga nara kanu aitolot ashoman enjok.
I encourage my other guild members also taking over the mantle to continue from where we were ended. The leaders are chosen by God, and let's support our leaders. Let's give them the views because they will be there to present our opinions based on the students' welfare and students' academics.
Petwa Anyimuto TV East Soroti.